Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting tutorial on creating 3D characters using Blender. I'm William Casey Hicks, and today I'll be your guide on this creative journey. Meet Cardboard Carl, our 3D character. He's going to help us explore the basics of 3D modeling using only cubes in Blender. We'll be working with Blender, a powerful 3D modeling software. Let's dive right in. For those of you who do not currently have Blender, you can download it at the link in the video description. Here's the Blender interface. We have the 3D viewport where we'll be creating our character. And we have two essential modes that we will be using to create this character: Edit mode and Object mode. These modes serve different functions in the 3D modeling process within Blender. First, let's discuss Object mode. In Object mode, we can move, rotate, and scale entire objects. This is perfect for positioning our character and assembling different parts. Now, let's discuss Edit mode. In Edit mode, we can manipulate the individual vertices, edges, and faces of our model. It's like sculpting our character's shape. I'll demonstrate by selecting a cube and showing you how to shape it to form Cardboard Carl's body. See how we can grab, scale, and extrude these vertices to create the basic shape? It's like working with digital clay. We can move Cardboard Carl around and even duplicate parts to build his body. As you can see, with just cubes and a combination of Edit mode and Object mode, we're gradually bringing Cardboard Carl to life. The beauty of 3D modeling is that you have complete control. You can design characters for games, educational animations, or any project that you can imagine. And there we have it, our 3D character, Cardboard Carl, created from cubes using Blender's Edit and Object modes only. I hope this tutorial has given you a glimpse of the amazing world of 3D art and animation. With dedication and practice, you can bring your own unique characters to life. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about 3D art and animation, be sure to follow me here on YouTube, or you can find me on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram for updates on upcoming courses and tutorials. What makes me qualified to give this instruction? I'm an experienced character designer with work featured in advertisement, education, print, and so on. I graduated with honors from Arizona State University in 2023 for game art and animation. Thank you.